Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video I'll tell you why you should pour laundry soap into vinegar. Some of you have probably done this before and you know for sure that it works perfectly, but if you haven't, I'll show you what this combination can do. So we need to mix vinegar and liquid laundry soap. I used a spray bottle for this. I pour about 1 cup of vinegar into the bottle and add 2 tablespoons of liquid laundry soap. I close the spray bottle and mix everything well. If you don't like the smell of vinegar, watch the video that just appeared in the tip. There I explain in detail what you can do. This product is excellent for removing limescale, soap scum, dirt and mold. I'll show you using a shower stall as an example. If you have hard water, limescale deposits quickly form on your glass. The same thing happens to your shower tiles and faucets. They all become coated with a calcium deposit. This cleaner also works well for removing dirt and rust from your bathtub. As you can see, my shower stall is pretty dirty. Let me show you how to clean it all in just 10 minutes. Put on gloves, take the prepared cleaning solution and spray it completely over the shower. As I already said, with this product you can clean limescale from tiles, faucets, bathtubs, sinks and toilets. To clean areas where plaque and rust have accumulated, spray them thoroughly first. Next, take a paper towel, spray it with the cleaning solution and firmly press it onto the stain. Leave it there for 10 minutes. After a while, remove the towels and check to see if everything comes off easily, it's ready to clean. If the dirt is difficult to remove, then spray the product again, stick paper towels on it and leave it for a while. Paper towels are needed to prevent the cleaning agent from drying out and to keep it in contact with dirt and grime for longer. Now let's get back to the shower glass. You don't need to leave it on for long, because the product dries, and when it dries, it stops working. So 5 minutes is enough. To clean, I wet a sponge with warm water and wipe it over the glass and faucets. You can do the same with the tiles. If the shower stall or tiles were very dirty and you see that the deposits are not completely removed, treat everything again with the prepared solution and leave for a while. This product also works great for bathtubs. Firstly, it's not abrasive, so you don't have to worry about scratching your bathtub. Secondly, the product removes all dirt, yellowing and deposits very easily. For a more detailed video on how to remove deposits from a bathtub, watch the video included in the tip. When you are done cleaning, rinse everything thoroughly with cool water. Next, I'll share with you another tip that will help you wash your shower glass or tiles less often. But before you do, run a squeegee over the glass to remove excess water. This time we'll also need a spray bottle. I fill it with equal parts water and dishwasher rinse aid. Spray the clean, almost dry shower with rinse aid. And then wipe the glass with a dry clean cloth. Look, I treated the glass on the left with rinse aid. I didn't spray the glass on the right. Let's compare now and see what the difference is. I turn on the water and wet the shower glass. I talked about other uses for rinse aid in a separate video. I'll leave a link to it in the tip and description. Well, you can see it clearly. There are a lot of water drops on the right door, and when these drops dry, they will leave behind these unsightly white spots. The left door looks completely different. Thanks to the rinse aid, the water drains evenly, leaving no marks on the glass, meaning the shower stall stays cleaner longer. Here is how, using inexpensive ingredients, you can quickly remove soap scum and limescale. The glass will be perfectly clear, as if it were not there. So I recommend you add some laundry soap to vinegar if you haven't done this before. Your shower glass, tiles and faucets will all sparkle after cleaning. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in more videos.